cordless touch LED lamp with minimalist design and can be easily carried around. Yeah, we mean literally from indoors to outdoors. The 360-degree Any Touch provides on-off control from any position on the base. No more fumbling around for a tiny switch on the cord. The stepless dimming gives your favorite type of illumination, and the memory mode allows you to turn Kappa back on each time with the previous brightness level. Featuring Type-C fast charging, Kappa can last for 2 hours with only 10 minutes charging. With a full charge, it can even last as long as 12 hours. Kappa only weighs the same as a cup of coffee. And the sticky base pad makes Kappa extremely steady, giving it zero chance of falling off. Kappa comes in 3 colors and blends in with all types of furniture and decorations. It's flame retardant, waterproof, and there's even no risk of an electrical shock. This is Kappa, a minimalist yet functional LED touch lamp with extraordinary quality that you can carry around anywhere. Kappa.